Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your single cup club membership. Okay, so first of all, if you want to cancel your membership, there is only two ways by which you can cancel your membership. So first of all, you need to keep this thing in your mind. Before cancellation, you need to provide a at least 48 hours notice period. Okay, like if you want to cancel your membership, then the membership cancellation process should start at least 48 hours before your next billing date. Okay, and if we talk about like how you can cancel, basically you need to log in into your account. So I can't show you the process because I don't have any account on this platform, so that's why we are not able to log in our account. If you taken any subscription, then you can log in into your account by visiting on their official website, and you need to just simply click on login into your account. And once you logged in into your account, you need to navigate your account setting and you can cancel your subscription very easily. If this method will not work for you, in that case what you have to do, you need to visit on their you can like on your email, and you need to compose an email, and in the email you need to provide each and everything related to your subscription, like why you want to cancel, and you need to ask a proof of cancellation. You can see this is an example of email related to cancellation of subscription, and in the email you need to provide your account details, subscription plans and all. And after you composed each and everything, you need to send this email at their email address. Email address is also available on their official website. You can visit on their official website. At the very bottom side you can see their email ID, and this email ID is also, you can say, like info@singlecupclub.com. and once you've done this thing, you can send this email at their email address, and once they receive your email, they will contact you and they will verify your details and they will guide you. You can cancel your subscription or not. If you don't get any kind of proof of cancellation from their side, you need to keep in touch with the customer support team. You need to ask questions like why you are not getting proof of cancellation and all. And once you get a proof of cancellation, then you can say like be relaxed and your subscription will cancel, and you are no longer to pay any money for upcoming deliveries. Okay, so this is the method. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.